Worker communications on the manufacturing plant floor tend to be erratic and hurried, often scattered across radios, texts, and hallway conversations. This results in poor team communication, lack of event documentation, and overall slow response to critical events affecting line performance, quality, scheduling compliance, and so on. With Polytron's Connected Worker solution, every conversation lives inside your TrakSYS application, contextualized with all of your MES data, while still using the same user interface your operators, maintenance, supervisors, and management are using. Starting a new chat is simple. You can add individual users or entire teams so the right people are pulled in from the start. Inside each chat, workers can send messages, share files, and upload images that appear in line. That means your maintenance tech can snap a photo of an issue on the line, drop it into the chat, and everybody instantly sees exactly what they're dealing with. For example, use messaging to coordinate a rapid response to a machine fault. The fault triggers the creation of a conversation, the technician is notified to diagnose and share information, and the supervisor reviews progress all in a single, trackable, timestamped thread. Once the issue is resolved, the supervisor can close the conversation to prevent the thread from being used again. By bringing targeted, media-rich messaging into TrakSYS, the Connected Worker solution turns everyday conversations into a clear, documented record of how work gets done. Contact us here for more information.